Hi, I'm Jeff Plummer with the Maryland Home and Garden Show. For nearly 40 years, thousands of people have come to our show. If you're a first-time homeowner or you simply want to make some improvements, here are a few tips to help you hire a contractor with confidence. Collect cards and talk to several companies. You want to seek owners and salespersons who make you feel comfortable and confident. While at the show, you can visit the Better Business Bureau to learn more about the contractors you like. You can also do this online at BBB.org. Either way, check in their rating and see if the contractor is accredited. Does the company have customer reviews? If so, read them. Look to see if there are any complaints. Complaints are not always a bad thing. You can tell a lot about a company by the way it handles any complaints. Here's a pro tip. If you're online and you see the BBB seal on a business web page, you should be able to click on it to confirm it's authentic. After you've done the background check, it's ideal to have 3 or more companies qualified for the next phase. Reach out and request a written estimate. Unless it's a very small project, you'll want each company to visit you at home. Verify that each is licensed and insured. Then review the estimates. Pay careful attention to building permits, materials, and warranties. And don't be afraid to ask questions. Get 3 references from past customers. Once you're happy, request a contract. Make sure that everything you've discussed is recorded in writing, including start and end dates. Check the payment schedule and be sure not to pay more than 1/3 down. The final payment should not be paid until after the job is complete and you're satisfied with the work. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you at the show. For more information about the Maryland Home and Garden Show, visit us at mdhomeandgarden.com.